everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, September 6, 2022, at least 52 people were reported killed and 20 missing in a 6.8 magnitude earthquake that shook China's southwestern province of Sichuan on Monday, triggering landslides and shaking buildings in the provincial capital of Chengdu. The quake struck a mountainous area in Luding County shortly after noon, the China Earthquake Network Center said. Power was knocked out and buildings damaged in the historic town of Moshi in the Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture of Gars, where 29 people were killed. Around 150 people were reported with varying degrees of injuries. More than 50,000 people being moved from homes rendered unsafe by the quake, the official Xinhua news agency reported Tuesday. Earlier, authorities had reported 7 deaths in Luding County and 14 more in neighboring Shimian County to the south. 3 of the dead were workers at the Hailuogu Scenic Area, a glacier and forest nature reserve. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.